what's up, Sarah? Today we'll be doing cat makeup. Let's get started. I'm gonna do the whiskers here. Okay, I forgot to put ink. Like if you want me to do other makeups. Perfect, that was good. Oh no, okay, I'll fix that later. Okay, I'm gonna use a makeup light. It looks like this for lines. That's better. But a little later, I'm gonna make this a little better. But right now, I'm just making whatever. Okay. That's better. This is a really simple routine for the cat makeup. I'll just put some lip gloss on. Sorry. You want an ice cream? So, yeah, I need ice cream. Okay. Okay, let's make the whiskers a bit darker. Okay, next step. Okay, final step. The kitty ears. Like the video if you liked